Hello everyone, welcome to this video. A student asked me a question. Actually, not just one, but many students have asked me why, in today's time, one should do a paper call. Why is paper call the best? So there are a lot of reasons for this. Let me just say this first, if you watch this entire video, I guarantee you that you'll start doing paper calls yourself. Alright, so make sure to watch this video all the way through if you really want to understand paper call, if you want to grasp its fundamentals. Alright, so paper call is something that, if you're doing affiliate marketing these days, if you're doing CPM marketing, if you're into dropshipping or drop servicing, whatever it is you're doing, you'll end up leaving all of it behind. That's the power of paper call. Why? First of all, in paper call, the competition is almost non-existent. If there are 100 people in digital marketing, you won't find even one person who's doing paper call these days. Basically, the competition here is next to nothing. It's absolutely zero right now. Alright, the second best thing about it is that, for example, if I want to do affiliate marketing, I have to depend on a network. If I want to do CPM marketing, I'll have to depend on a network. If I want to do dropshipping, I'll have to set up 50 different things and still depend on a network. The same thing happens in drop servicing as well. But in paper call, most of the work you do, if you've mastered the paper call skill, is directly with the client. And what does it mean to work with the client? I'm telling you this very clearly and with full responsibility. The client will pay you. You don't have to spend money from your own pocket. The client will provide you with money to effectively run advertisements, and for every single call that gets successfully generated, you will receive a commission from them. Just take a moment to truly think about how much clients genuinely need these calls. They will readily pay you to meticulously run ads, and on top of that, you will also earn a valuable commission from all the calls that are generated. Alright, now a lot of people might say, no sir, I don't want to do freelancing. I don't want to work directly with clients. I want to work with a network. So, you also have the option to work with a network here. You can work with Marketcall, with LeadSmart, or with Ring Partner. So, just like you used to do affiliate marketing in a very high competition niche before, here you won't find such high competition niches. You'll find very low competition niches here. There, you can work with these networks and the commission rates are very high. Your starting commission itself is around $20 to $25, meaning you don't have to sell anything. You just have to generate leads, and for each lead you generate, you get $20 to $25. If you try to do the same thing in affiliate marketing by making a sale. Okay, let's say you get $50, but that's only when you make a sale. Now let me tell you something really important. If you get 10 clicks, 8 people convert into leads, but not even one person converts into a sale. Out of 50 clicks, maybe one person will convert into a sale, but out of 50, at least 40 people will definitely convert into leads because they don't have to buy anything. They just have to fill in their data. Alright, if you get into CPM, you get up to $1.5 just for this data fill. But in paper call, you can get $20 to $25 for the same thing. So you see, first of all, there's very little competition here, and secondly, the commission rate is very high. The third thing is, here you get the opportunity to do freelancing work. In this, the client gives you the amount and all you have to do is generate calls. You can do paper call through Google Ads, Facebook ads, or any other method. Do it however you want. Alright, right now is the best time to start paper call because there's very little competition, there are lots of offers, and companies need leads, companies need calls. Paper call is the only method, I can say with full confidence, that starts paying you within just a week. Whether it's affiliate marketing, blogging, dropshipping, or drop servicing, no matter what you do, nothing else pays you within a week. Apart from that, you keep building an entire area of leads for yourself. You keep generating leads, which also helps you build a contact list that becomes very useful in the future. You might not understand the importance of this right now. But once you start doing it, after 3 or 4 months, you'll come back and thank me, saying, "Sir, what an amazing thing you told us about." This has helped me build my entire business. I set up my whole agency with the help of this. So my simple recommendation is, my number is in the description. Definitely learn paper call and definitely do paper call. Start learning paper call, stay in the game, but just get started with paper call. I'm telling you, you will definitely get results from this. There's no need to wait 3 or 6 months like in fake marketing or blogging. Okay, so I hope you've understood why you should do pay-per-call. If you want to learn how to do pay-per-call, you can contact me. Thank you very much.